you'd never settle for half done. So why let AI only do half the job? Half the effort means imbalance. Half the tools means wasted energy. And half the journey means you never arrive.
The same is true in multifamily and the renter experience, with most AI dropping the ball the moment someone becomes a resident. The result? Frustrated renters, increased delinquencies, missed renewals, and teams buried in manual work. That's why Funnel built Resident AI. Bridge the gap from move-in through renewal with seamless support for your teams and renters, all powered by the AI trusted by multifamily's best. When rent is due, a friendly reminder is sent out automatically. Resident AI continues nudging until payment is secured, ultimately escalating to delinquency notices so nothing falls through the cracks. Residents avoid a missed payment and stay on track while your teams avoid an awkward conversation. When renewals are approaching, Resident AI reaches out with personalized options. The resident responds, and your team doesn't spend hours chasing signatures. When it's midnight and a renter calls about a leaking faucet, Resident AI determines urgency, captures important details, and can create or update a work order, ensuring resident requests are completed fast. With Resident AI, your teams stay focused on what matters most, building lasting relationships with residents, while AI handles the routine, the random, the repetitive, and the round-the-clock. Half measures create half results. Resident AI delivers the full experience. Rent paid, renewals signed, maintenance resolved.